What's good, everybody? This is H back with another 12 Hub TV episode. I got an unboxing today. It's a shoe that I really don't remember what it is, but I got it from N Clothing. I know an order came through last week. Just slips my mind what it is, but we're gonna get into it in a second, and I'll let you know. Also, congratulations, Los Angeles Lakers, on a stellar 4-2 series victory over the Miami Heat. The NBA playoffs was wild this year. I enjoyed every minute of it, every game. Lakers did their thing. Well deserved for the King LeBron James, greatest player of all times. Debate me in the comments if you think otherwise, because I got the stats, got the numbers. MJ and his 6 rings can go somewhere. That's all I gotta say. Good night. But let's get into this box, all right? Okay, so yeah, I entered some random raffles on N Clothing, and I know something came through. I spent $190 something on this shoe, so I have no clue what it is. But it's cool because, you know, I got a couple other things that came in, so I was just like, all right, cool. But this one, it's not supposed to drop till next week on Nike, I think. If it's the shoe that I think it is. So I got it early, European release, because it was through N, but I paid a lot more than retail. So let's see. You know, N Clothing always gives me a run, man. Like, overpay for everything on N. I do like their packaging though. They do take care of you. That's what I like. Look at this box, man. N it's like a shoebox in a shoebox. A nice sealed up packaging. Nice branded packaging. They put in a little plastic bag for you and all this other junk. Great. And can y'all tell me in the comments if you like the dark mode that I've been doing lately with the filming? If not, I can add other lights. I got some light rings and additional lighting that I'm going to be putting in. But I was just testing this dark mode because it looked kind of dope with just the shoes in the background. So, kind of light in the background, whatever. So, rip the little end sticker off here. Let's get into it. Oh, nice. Yeah, well, you know what I like? Oh, it's an Air Force One. I know what it is. It's an Air Force One, I know. And they always put the little card with your receipt in it. And, yep, Air Force One, size 1. This is the CO.JP retro of... Oh, I actually got the right size. The C of the Wheat Dark Mocha Air Force One. This is one of the colorways I talked about in the CO.JP video that were being retroed and was a classic. But whew, man, I actually like this shoe. I'm gonna try to go for it. Oh man, this is fire. Oh my god. Oh, the quality. God damn, look at this. Jesus. Yo, Nike. This suede is so buttery. Yeah, it's the CO.JP Low Wheat Dark Mocha. Whew. Yeah, this does come out next week. Wow, I'm in awe of this shoe. This is a great shoe. I cannot front. Look at it. All this is just premium quality. Jeez Louise. I think these retail for $130. Look at that. Yo, the suede, I can't, it's so buttery smooth, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I actually don't mind paying $190 for this joint. Look at that. Oh, I mean, it's a pretty basic colorway, but it's clean. Wow. You know, like I'm not an Air Force One guy. I dig them though, you know, for the seasons. But look at this. Look at. Whew. Yo, it's so smooth. I can't even describe it, but it's got these hits of mocha and the clear outsole, like the coffee brown sole right here. The dark mocha interior on this part right here. Whew, boy. The nice stitching on the Nike Air. So yeah, the stitching on the Nike Air is premium. Everything on this shoe is premium. I don't know. I just had to open it up on camera for y'all, and I'm glad I did actually. This shoe is fire. This shoe is fire. I don't even know what to wear it with. I have to create an outfit, buy an outfit, do something with this, man. Maybe a leather coat. No, man, this joint's crazy. Air Force Ones. CO.JP, man. Like, when they did these things, man, for the Japanese marketplace, it was, look, I feel crazy wearing this Laker gear while holding this shoe up, because, you know, sometimes I try to coordinate my fits with with whatever shoe I'm opening. But, whew. Yeah, this was just a real quick one. Look. If you don't know, you don't know. Air Force Ones are freaking fire when they do it right. So I'm gonna go through both of them. Air Force Ones are fire when they do them right, yo. This was a crazy ill retro. Shout out to Nike for this one. I mean, I know Europe. I wonder if these sold out in Europe. I don't know. But for that price point for us, like when I got off the end, all in taxes and shipping, it was $190. So I'm happy with this purchase, actually. You know, I paid an extra like $50 or so for it, but it's worth it in my opinion. And yeah, CO.JP was like the original shock drops and limited editions, numbers on the tongue indicating how limited they were type of runs. And they did them exclusively in Japan for a while. So those shoes were very sought after at the time. We're talking, you know, exclusive Air Force Ones, exclusive Jordan ones, and things of that nature. And this was one of the ones that came out as part of that line and is so fire. I am not a liar when I say this is fire. Oh man, I should start rapping. But yeah, this is arguably my favorite one. I'm gonna wear this too. I'm gonna go for another pair just to ice it and hold it, because I'm trying to get back into Air Force Ones. I had, you know, a pair of white on whites. That's all I had in my whole life. Then, you know, I got the Colin Kaepernicks. I got the Rucker Park and the 354, the N354, whatever ones that they put out last year, the experimental one. Those were crazy. I bought the white ones, which I never rocked, but the black ones I did, and yeah, I got another pair of gold ones. But these, man, so clean. Suede is beautiful. Everything on this is beautiful, man. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Not gonna put this on foot, obviously, because I do not have time for that right now, because I'm wearing shorts and chilling. But you might see it on my IG, so follow us on IG. And also gaming. We're about to do some gaming, so follow me on Twitch, HDiddyDollar. Link is probably right here for the Twitch channel, and in the below in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna start a lot of gaming. New Call of Duty's coming out. We're gonna do a lot of other games too, and you know, follow us there, Detail Gaming and I. And other than that, yeah, just have a good night, man. You know, congratulations again to the Lakers for the stellar championship run this year, and that's it. See you all in the next one. Peace.